Hello and welcome to another video. My first month on YouTube. What do I think? How's it been? Well, I thought I'd make this little video and tell you exactly what I think. So yeah, stay tuned and let's crack on with it. First thing is my mood after 4 weeks is not what it was at the start. I started the channel, I was pretty excited and motivated. You know, I wasn't expecting to become a YouTube sensation, don't get me wrong, but I didn't think it would be quite as hard as it actually is. So I think my mood after 4 weeks is a bit deflated with it all. Already thinking, should I give up? It tests your confidence and your belief in yourself for sure. So am I at the quitting stage? Well, watch till the end and I will let you know then. So the second thing I thought I would talk about is the work involved in making the videos. So you got your idea for a video. Yay! Brilliant! This will be easy. No. No, no, no. There is so much more to be thinking about now. You've got your idea. You take your video, you create your video. But then without doubt, you have added so much more than is necessary in that video. So you've got to edit your video. You've got to be ruthless. You've got to take out chunks of video that you still think are beneficial to people. But the chances are they're probably not, because you're just waffling like I probably am right this minute. So you've got to edit the video, that takes time. You've got to think about keeping people interested in your video. They don't just want to sit there looking at your face talking, so you've got to be thinking of, I don't know, zooming in, zooming out, overlays, transitions, all things I didn't really know anything about, still don't, still learning. You need to put sound music in, again, what sort of music are people going to want to hear? How loud does it have to be? How loud does your voice have to be? I haven't even got to a stage where I'm thinking about microphones. I'm doing all of my videos on my phone at the moment, which, you know, isn't so bad, but not professional by any means. Once you've uploaded your video, you've got your title, your description, you've got to be thinking SEO. I mean, what is SEO? Logarithms, keywords. Oh, the list goes on. You've got to include the keywords in your title and in your description and make it all linked, and make sure you've said your keywords in your video. Who knew? Who knew? So much more involved than just simply taking a video and uploading a video. I mean, you can do that, and some people are probably very lucky. There's probably one in however many that upload one video, didn't put a lot of time and effort into it, make their millions. But the reality is there's an awful lot more involved than I ever realised. Take a moment to show you the reflection of the clouds in the sea, because I've never seen it. The sea's so clear, well, flat, I mean, the sea's so flat, that the clouds are reflecting in it, and I'm going to show you. My next point, talking to the camera. Has that got any easier after 4 weeks? No, it has not. Absolutely not. I still feel ridiculous talking to the camera. And I make some of my videos down at the trailer, as you know, and there's people wandering about, and I am absolutely not at a stage where I can keep chatting to my phone while there's people heading towards me. I could just be on the phone to somebody and then I wouldn't care less, but because I know I'm sitting here talking to my phone, it just makes me feel ridiculous, and I have to stop. So making the videos takes ages because I stop, start, stop, start, stop, start. The successful YouTubers out there really couldn't care less, could they? They could be talking in a crowded room and not care, and I think that's one of the keys. Your confidence. If you're confident, your personality shines through, and you can be in the moment. But when you're nervous like I am, talking in front of the camera when there's people coming, you're just not being your true self. Well, I don't think so anyway. So talking to the camera has not got any easier for me after 4 weeks. And that's another hurdle I've got to jump. So my fourth point the content for these pesky videos. When you start your YouTube channel, well, when I started mine, I had an idea for my first video. And I thought, you know, I'd do painting videos. That's what I do, I paint. So I'll do some time-lapse type videos and people might enjoy them. You know? Yeah, I'm painting anyway, so, you know, nice, easy. I'll video what I paint, 2 birds, 1 stone, all that jazz, and upload them. Everybody will love them. And yes, I'll have a successful channel. No. I did my first one. You know, I was buzzing a bit afterwards. Thought, yeah, that was, you know, people are going to enjoy that. Everyone likes to watch a bit of time-lapse painting. It's, you know, relaxing. No, not really. I think it got 20 views, 30 views, which, you know, is not bad. Not for first one, but not the thousands I thought it might get. Forgetting, of course, how massive YouTube is now and how many people are doing exactly the same thing. Yeah, I'm waffling. This is it. I'm waffling again. This is what you shouldn't be doing. You should not be waffling. You lose everybody. You're all switching off now, aren't you? Yes. Back on track. Tried painting videos. Did my first painting video. Excellent. Uploaded it. Jobs are good. What on earth am I going to do for my second one? I literally, nothing came to mind. Am I going to put another painting video? Is that a bit boring? What did I do? What was my next video? Well, and then I came up with a brainwave. To make my first video, as I've said, I don't have cameras, microphones, I don't have a laptop. I've got my iPad. So I did my video on there and I'd had to research that. I'd had to download one app, video editing app. I realised I had iMovie, so I used that. And what a palaver that was. The music, etc. Trying to download some music that I could use, find music I could use. The whole process from start to finish was a little bit of a stressful one. So I thought, right, I'll make a video on that. I will make a video on how I edited my first video. So that's what I did. Was it any good? No. Was it very professional? No. Would it keep people involved in the video so that they watched for the duration? Absolutely not. It was rubbish. But it meant I had 2 videos up. But the way I saw it, it was practice. And what does practice make? Perfect. That's what practice makes. Well, better. So yes, you want an example of a video that's pretty naff. Go and watch that one. That'll keep you entertained for a few minutes. But anyway, second video, job done. Content. It's a tricky one. I was straight back to my paintings for the next one. But yeah, it's something I'm still struggling with today. What to do, what to make. It's like I just mentally get a mind block. Carrying a notepad and pen round is a good... Why am I pointing my pencil at you all of a sudden? Carrying a notepad and pen round with you is a good idea because you can have some flashes of inspiration. You can get them down in your book because woe betide, they'll be gone from your brain, never to be remembered again. So carrying a pencil and pen around is a good idea. Well, not a pencil and pen, that's absolutely no use. Pencil or pen and a pad of paper. And then when you get moments of inspiration, you can write them down and then you might find suddenly you got your next video all sorted before you even have to worry about it. You know it makes sense. You know it makes sense. Is there anyone out there that doesn't like chocolate? I don't believe you. Obviously, there might be people allergic to chocolate, and in which case, fair enough. Got a good excuse. But no. Unless you've got a valid reason why you can't eat chocolate, there is no excuse. Absolutely bloody lovely. It's a beautiful day. Hip hip hooray. for this wonderful day today. Yes, content for videos. It's a bit of an issue, but having said that, I've come up with this one. Each time I come up with another idea, and they might not be the best ideas in the world, and they might not be the best videos, but I'm still coming up with the ideas, I'm still making the videos, and that's a start, isn't it? That's got to be good. So far, so good. So, point 5. Are they points? Hurdles. They are hurdles. Hurdle 5, I have discovered since starting my channel. Music. Music for your videos. I have kind of overcome this one already. When I made my second video, the editing on the iPad video, I used an app called VN to initially edit the app and add the music. Now, the reason I did that is because when I looked at iMovie, I couldn't see a way of adding music that was any good. So after a bit of research, I discovered VN Video Editor. I used that, made the video. It had different tracks in it. They were decent tracks, not the sort of sounds you get when you buy your phone and you got to select your ringtone and they're all completely naff. It was decent music, you know, by comparison. Made my video, put the music on, and then I was happy with it, and then exported that into iMovie, finished off the video, uploaded it to YouTube. But then I discover there's a copyright claim on my video. Panic stations, because I thought, you know, I was down before I'd started, because obviously with YouTube, if you get a copyright, your channel can go. Well, I've now discovered it's called a copyright strike. If you get a copyright, or it might even be 2 copyright strikes, you can lose your channel or something like that. This was a copyright claim, and it specified in there that there was a copyright claim due to the music I had used, but it was fine. It was fine to have it on my channel. However, if my video got to the stage where it could be earning money, I can earn money from it through the I can't say that word, monetization program, I wouldn't earn the money. The person who wrote the song would. So that rang a few alarm bells, and I thought, well, this is no good, because I don't want to see the word copyright claim against my video in case the rules change at some point and suddenly I find myself breaching all the rules and whatever. So yes, to sum up, Epidemic Sound, sign up, get your free 20-30 days and just get straight into it and use them for your music. Joy for me now, I can do all my editing in one place on my iPad. Could not be simpler. So absolute godsend. Just go there straight away. Use VN Video Editor because it's also very good in its own way, but just be aware, if you use some of the music on that app, then you could end up with a copyright claim, which won't actually affect your channel, but if you did become very successful, it's not going to be a video that earns you any money paid. So yeah, there we are, my biggest hurdles that I have faced since I started my channel 4 weeks ago. So the big question, am I gonna quit YouTube after only 1 month? Absolutely not. It's been frustrating, it's been a bit deflating, but it's been fun too. At the end of the day, when I start doing a YouTube video, my goal is to make the video, upload it to YouTube, and then see what happens. So every time I've got to that stage, I've already achieved something. You know, I've achieved something with my day, and that's no bad thing. So I'm not expecting it to do mentally well anytime soon. It's a journey that I'm on. And if in the meantime I can find my confidence improves and talking to the camera doesn't become an issue, and I have a personality that develops and shines through that I didn't even know I had, well then that's all good, isn't it? And if that's all that I get from this, well then so be it. But no, I'm not ready to quit at all. It's I find it quite exciting, so I'm sticking with it, and I shall be making another video. Absolutely no idea what that video will be as yet, but I know I will think of something. And to be honest, on the days like today where I'm sitting on my trailer, it's given me something to do, something to focus on, something to look forward to doing. So yeah, let's do this. Let's make a successful YouTube channel. And if not, let's have fun trying. Alright, see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.